Okay, so for this project, you will need your shirts, scissors, saran wrap, wax papers, and your prints. These prints I got from Pinterest, and I just Googled black girl art. You can do black girl aesthetics or whatever. Once you have that printed on regular printer paper, go ahead and just cut around. Make sure you cut all of the excess edge off for you. So this is what it will look like once you have cut all of the extra material off. So now you just want to take your saran wrap, pull enough of the saran wrap off to cover the front and the back of your print. This will act as the glue once we iron it down. So go ahead and lay that on your print and cover it all the way. Make sure everything is covered. If you leave any gaps on it, it will cause the print to lift. Okay. So while we do that, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you have not done so already. That's what keeps the lights on over here, honey. So make sure you guys click that button, comment, and subscribe. So once you've covered the print, you want to then cut off the excess plastic, but you don't want to cut so close to the picture that it creates, that you cut it off, because then that'll also cause the print to lift. So just a little bit, go ahead and cut that off. Okay, so now grab your shirts. I got these shirts from Target and they were $5 a piece. They are all crop top shirts, and they come in different colors as well. So you want to make sure that your shirt has no wrinkles and that it's smooth, because any wrinkles will cause lifting once we iron it. Okay, so now take your saran wrap and you want to place the saran wrap over that print and just iron it down. You want your iron on the highest setting that you have, and you'll iron it down and then slowly peel it off. If you have any areas that's not sticking or lifting, just put the paper back down and iron over it again. Okay, so that wax paper, you won't be able to reuse it, so trash it. And now you have a screen printed shirt. So I'll show you again. This shirt, I did make a oopsie. I ended up cutting the plastic too close to the print on this shirt. Okay. So I'm showing here how you want to iron it down. Again, you want to focus the iron on the edge so that way it doesn't lift up. I probably ironed over this shirt maybe about a minute or two, just making sure that the print was stuck to the shirt completely. So now let's lift. So the shirt came out really well, except for I cut the plastic off too close to the print. So it did start lifting on me once I tried the shirt on. So again, make sure you don't cut too close to the print so that it doesn't lift. Okay? Perfect. Now let's see what we've created.